Moko address this thing one by one. KO.
Start from the...
Start with the private jet, first of all. Now, private jet in 2019. Jesus. Now, me and you and all of them know to say private jet no day River State in 2019. Yes. Our private jet, as of that time, they come, I go connect them. As at that time, he did Germany, if you remember. Yes, now, last year. No, say no.
Then I won. Then I won. Let you live there. Then, who tell you say private jet not there?
No. Listen. He talk say
no be that.
He talk say Governor Wike.
They say now only one private jet the state gets.
He say Governor Wike.
Which kind speaker you be self?
Now we try to connect opposition member. He talk say Governor Wike give him his own private jet. Yes. So the question be say when our governor buy private jet, private jet.
Nah. The private jets now, not be one private jet. This state gets.
The one where the state, he say he own.
Yes, now he be governor, now he own. The state own. Now he in charge.
Even Obi
now he be 001.
Obi Wale Cultural Center, not be person get them.
Now government
for private. That private jet where I'm making leave for Germany. You know me says is that private jet dead there. The state's not they use private jets.
No.
Now later they see that one.
Yes.
So now that one we can be they use. Now they take carry Dino. And not even the shocks not be only that one even be day too.
How many private jets?
Now rich states.
So how many officially?
I don't know.
Officially.
So they come carry with Dino go a polling unit from here fly on the day of election.
On the primary
rather. Wash night. Not be wash night they sweet past Christmas.
I wonder.
Wash night of your election in the River State.
And my brother.
Not be state too.
But see, lady side
state.
They will feel watch this, you know. First, you see when they support Wike for corner. Yeah, you get people will be say he don't do things for when they reach in turn they need to do for them.
Yes.
When they talk say I know they're happy with people like Lee them and all those Austin them. The worst one now, Omeya. There's nothing anybody would tell me. I consider Atiku as a selfish.
Madam Speaker, don't they threaten you now for that place? She they watch the suspended speaker. Obi Ivy Fagai, KOBaba and Akpanokon. I will deal with you people when I return.
You will not return.
Thank you.
You will never return.
That's the best way to reply.
Madam Speaker, this sad say now you always do.
Yes.
You do people where you get taller than. Yes. You don't say Rasta there among them. Why you not talk about Rasta?
You will not return.
They intimidate you.
You have the floor.
So you
have the floor.
Can you imagine? Who give you data, sir?
No minor.
Our office data.
You don't want under suspension till they talk.
Okay, so imagine when somebody like Omeya we choose Atiku over Wike, and I go ask myself, say, what thing Atiku go do for him after? Yes, the calculations, all those ones. See this Dino now. The so much what Wike do for him. It's not from Wike's pocket. Anything anybody like me tell me.
You think so?
Yes, it's not
because
from
you know the Wike never tell you nothing about government money.
No, it's not from his pocket. Anywhere but see, there's so much what Wike do for him. I mean, want to say from his pocket, but so much I just be honest. And it reached time where
Rasta thought say even Obi Wale now one person get out.
It reached time where
government now one person get out.
Do you know the contest for governor?
Yes.
Then it reached time where Wike the contest for president. Dino still leave Wike go support Atiku.
Yeah.
And when Dino they come back,
Dino to say that in the best Wike.
Yes, yes. When they come back the next time, he's supposed to say if I don't support you before, you know, I reach my turn, you don't support me. Your turn, I don't go support you. I will do everything to make sure say
you lose.
Now the position we in there now. Now Wike have support. You get people where they don't support. There are elections they are doing tomorrow. We no need for anybody to go wasting time. Some of those people
they don't need to support those people.
I don't know how they carry they do those rerun when they do. So some of those people know say they lose the election. If there anything, all these ones will go Senate now. Betty then will go every time. They were not. Unless people win out for primaries. Now Wike and still do make them go.
Out of Ogejinda.
All of them. When it reach time, okay, self see they loyal. Okay, they loyal. So I go exempt them. Now you don't reach turn Dino now. When you don't reach Dino turn now, Dino no one support Wike. In the especially Wike no go verse. Yeah.
Wike. I read Wike no face. Wike when some people when they do something and people when that time the local government chairman you carry them for mine and now they don't be fly over for their house.
Let me be honest. Wait, tell Wike to say if that thing Wike is attack people, I can bet you Wike cannot win Dino.
You know if we do that,
because you don't go feed.
Dino say he go do release kit. Him go do drama.
Yes.
Season 1, season 2, season 3.
FFK won't try
Guys,
with
somebody
her.
talk something here.
Yes.
Because for this show, I can never use Mr. Speaker for you. I rather die.
Go to the person talk.
Sky.
Yes.
Sky.
Yes.
Good. Somebody say Rivers State does not have only one private jet. As the executive governor of Rivers State, Wike is the one in charge of the private jet. Dino is humbling our Mr. Governor. Yes.
Yeah, since when people begin attack Wike, now Dino attack. I mean the first way people don't pay attention to. No, as people pay attention to Dino because now Dino field of politics be that.
Dino talk he says, see, he could just come and he say,
No.
look,
You see, it to say other people's business are my business.
Yes. They tell you.
He said what you talking about talk. He said this kind of worms and maggot.
I say,
But then,
you know, say never still release song for the thing. No.
I see here kind of worm and maggot. He not reply the next day. The next 2 days, I call it Your Excellency. It's like you're forgetting. 3 days, 4 days.
Today, English.
but Unati say they're right.
For Twitter, I mean, put in one go live. He tweet say one go live. So you don't miss it.
He replied during commission.
He
Not
not go
long.
live.
If you want really give long reply, the whole
press
conference.
You know say now him go put am live on TV. So my brother, you go dey long today. But we'll take an. And I say they right for civil society organization, CSO and all of them. They call say me they call open our books now because of the revelation from Dino Melaye. They thought say he spent thousands of dollars for election matter, so that they call for people to come open the books.
Which book?
Edit the books.
Which books are
Financial records. Since 20.
The book when EFCC be one open before they call person, then agree the person.
You know
That
your
book is different.
Do you know
Which
say
are different?
Do you know say Wike prison uniform get embroidery? Say go get embroidery. Say na. That's I hear that part. Nobody. Say na special prison uniform.
Nobody.
he say embroidered.